This is where premium pomegranate juice begins. From carefully selected pomegranates to a perfectly bottled drink.
This is where premium pomegranate juice begins. From carefully selected pomegranates to a perfectly bottled drink.
Here, the pomegranates enter the high-pressure washing stage, ensuring optimal cleanliness for juice extraction.
The system efficiently separates the vibrant red arils from the bitter white pith, using a series of vibrating trays.
Rotating drums and high-pressure water sprays ensure a clean separation, preparing the vibrant red arils for the final juice extraction stage.
The pH level is stable at 3.1.
Good. The bricks measurement is showing 14.5%.
Here we see the rapid cooling system, essential for bringing the pasteurized pomegranate juice back to its optimal temperature.
The acidity levels are consistent with the previous batch.
Yes, the chromaticity readings match as well.
We can approve this lot.
The profile seems correct.
Yes, the data confirms consistency. We are good to proceed.
This automated filling line ensures that every bottle of our premium pomegranate juice is filled with absolute precision.
Utilizing heat tunnels, the plastic wrap tightens around the pomegranate juice cartons, securing them for transport. This facility holds millions of liters of pomegranate juice at a steady minus 25 degrees Celsius.
The temperature variance here is acceptable, but let's monitor the African shipments closely.
Already on it. The new algorithm predicts a 3% efficiency gain by Tuesday.
Okay, bring it forward slowly.
Right, yeah.
Set it down right there by the wall.
From here, the finished pomegranate juice is distributed to markets across the globe.
Cycle complete, ladies. We did it. Woohoo! Yes. We finished strong on this run. Yes, we did. Look at all that juice. Best run yet.
This is how premium pomegranate juice is made. Subscribe to explore more inside modern factories. This is how premium pomegranate juice is made. Subscribe to explore more inside modern factories.